In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom, free video conferencing and virtual meetings. We'll keep this simple and fast so you can host your first call right away. After creating your Zoom account and signing in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, the quickest way to start a meeting is to look to the top right and click Host. This starts an instant meeting you control, perfect for quick catch-ups, interviews, or team huddles without any advanced scheduling. When you click Host, Zoom will ask how you want to begin, with video on, video off, or screen share only. Choose video on if you're ready to appear on camera and want a face-to-face feel. Choose video off if you prefer to join with your camera disabled and turn it on later. Pick screen share only if your goal is to immediately show a presentation or demo without appearing on camera. You can always adjust your camera later, so don't stress about picking the wrong one. As soon as you make your selection, you'll be taken straight into the meeting. You're now live as the host. To bring others in, look along the bottom of the meeting window and click the Participants button. A panel will open, and inside it, you'll see an invite option. Go ahead and click Invite to open your sharing choices. You have a few straightforward ways to bring people in. If you've added contacts to Zoom, you can search for them directly in the invite window. If you prefer to send the details yourself, click Copy URL to grab a simple link to the meeting that you can paste into a message. Or click Copy Invitation to copy a more complete message that includes the meeting link and other essential details in a neatly formatted block. Either way, the text is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into email, chat, or any platform you use to communicate. In this same area, you'll see the meeting passcode. Some participants may be prompted for it when they join. Think of the passcode as a quick extra layer of security. If someone says they're being asked for it, share the passcode along with the link so they can enter smoothly. Now just send your invites to the people you want in the meeting. Once they click your link and enter the passcode if prompted, they'll appear in your participant list, and you're ready to collaborate. And that's all there is to it. You created your Zoom meeting, chose how to start, and invited participants in just a few clicks. You're good to go.